not second guess what the judges or the honorable judges. Okay, Shipraji, most media organizations, they depend on the advertisers for the bulk of their revenue. So, is it that Rajasthan Patrika has just taken on this as an issue? And your management, your owners have said, okay, we are willing to sacrifice money. It's very rare, right? Because usually journalists are told, you can't write all these things, how will your next month's salary come kind of thing. So, you can tell us why your paper took that conscious policy decision, if I could describe it as such, that you would be willing to sacrifice, financially sacrifice. That hurts. The media is not in a particularly good shape.
It's a very interesting question from Paranjay. But let me begin from the fact that when we took up this issue, it was the first story, 17 December 2011. Then we carried this story to have these measurements all across Jaipur, that how the radiation emission levels are so high in Jaipur city, and how can we afford. And there was a professor in University of Rajasthan who helped us measure these radiation levels in Rajasthan, and there was another person who was a retired person from ISRO who helped us measure the entire radiation level in Jodhpur. So we started off, after a review from Kasliwal's case, that this is an issue. And Paranjay's question is that why we consciously decided to, first, we need to understand that we actually worked on this entire issue very differently from, as a campaign rather. And why we took up this issue was very clearly that when Kasliwal's family actually suffered and we got to know about his case, we actually went through all the research data that was accessible to us. Through him, he also shared with us. And we virtually worked as a team, he was a part of our team, that how we should understand this issue. And we were, at first very convinced that this is an issue nobody is going to take up. Reason one, that they are big revenue givers to the media. One. The second was that they are so powerful that we can't even fight it out, even in the courts. That was another issue. But we were convinced that a person like him has suffered, and when we raised this issue, you would be surprised that hundreds of people actually came to us telling their story, very heart-rending story. One of the stories rather Kasliwalji would tell about Amin Khan, that poor guy who had actually sold out his land to have his son treated, and when this came and when this entire campaign was going on, he heard that maybe government is going to compensate for the people who are suffering from cancer. He just came with a hope to Kasliwal's his house, just saying that how can government help me? I've lost my son, I've lost my land, so how can you help me? So there were hundreds of people actually who came to share their story with us. So we were very convinced that this is an issue which nobody is going to take. The second part, which Paranjay asked, that how your management decided to. It was very clear when we are convinced, when we are honest, and we are good in intent. Yes, the mobile company people came to meet our management, came to our marketing people, and I've already shared with Kasliwalji. Never ever my editorial head ever told me that stop it. They said, are you convinced? I said, yes, I'm convinced. I'm sure that this is an issue we can't let it go. The second was that I came to know from my marketing head that we have already lost 10 crores of revenue. They have withdrawn the entire advertising for 3 years. But nobody ever told me that stop it. Second point was how we work. It's very interesting for Paranjay to know because he comes from media. That we actually didn't work as a media. We operated as citizen of India. We operated as a person. So we worked as a team with Sudhirji, with civil society, and you would know that we called a meeting at Central Park of Jaipur. That's a public place, and we called a meeting of whosoever is concerned with this issue. 500 people came to in the Central Park, and that was a public place. We called a meeting appealing to public, if you are suffering, and any society, people who want to represent themselves as citizens and who are real sufferers, please come. Then Sudhir ji kindly obliged. We were all there, in the ground, sitting as, standing up as an activist and meeting people, listening to their grievances, taking up their, complaints as if we are an agency to solve it, but we were not.